Using Chicago to cite sources in your bibliography. This tutorial will explain Chicago's Notes and Bibliography system of source citation for the bibliography, which is different from the citation style for footnotes or endnotes. The bibliography lists citations in a hanging indent format and in alphabetical order for all sources in your paper. Each citation in the bibliography should begin on a new line. What are some of the differences between note citations and bibliography citations in Chicago style? One difference is they do not use the same punctuation. In addition, the author's name appears in first name, last name order in a footnote or endnote, but in inverted order in the bibliography. Notice the differences in these examples. The elements of a bibliography citation. When creating an entry in your bibliography for a journal article, you will include the author's name in inverted order with last name, comma, first name, followed by a period, the article title in quotation marks with a period, the journal title in italics, volume number, comma, issue number, year in parentheses, colon, and complete page numbers for the full article. If you consulted an online version of the article, your citation should also include the article's unique digital object identifier, DOI, or permalink, which may also be referred to as a persistent URL or stable URL. In that case, the page numbers will be followed by a period, then the DOI or permalink. The end of the citation is marked by a period. When creating an entry in your bibliography for a book, you will include the author's name in inverted order with last name, comma, first name, followed by a period, the book title in italics, period, the place of publication, colon, the publisher, comma, and the year followed by a period. Although you included specific page numbers for the material in the book that you cited in your footnote, you do not include the page numbers in your bibliography entry. For a book or journal article with 2 or 3 authors, the bibliography citation is a little different. Only the name of the first author is inverted. The second and third authors are given in first name, last name order. As a review, notice how a citation for a journal article differs in a footnote or endnote as compared to a bibliography entry. Also notice how a citation for a book differs in a footnote or endnote as compared to a bibliography entry. For additional citation examples, please consult the Chicago Manual of Style online.